Hello, and welcome to the most advanced and modern CSS course in the world. I'm really excited to have you in this massive course, and I promise you made the right choice by joining me in this adventure. Now, without further ado, I want to give you a quick overview of how the course is organized, the projects that are included in the course, and what exactly you are going to learn. So, the course contains a total of 7 sections with over 20 hours of content. We start with section 2, where we're going to jump right into our first project and start learning some advanced CSS. So this is the Natures project that we're going to start building in section 2 all the way to the end of section 6. It's a huge landing page that I designed specifically to teach you a lot of different new CSS properties and techniques, animations, advanced responsive design, CSS architecture, and much more. And you see that there are a lot of effects going on here on this page. Now, in section 3, we take a detailed look at how CSS actually works behind the scenes. And we're also going to talk a bit about CSS architecture, so that you can gain the kind of knowledge that many CSS developers out there don't have. Next up, I will introduce you to Sass and to the NPM ecosystem, which will give you a whole new set of tools, allowing you to write and compile Sass code. Then, section 5 is the biggest part of the course. And this is where we will continue building the Natures project that I showed you, and where you will learn countless new CSS properties and features. After that, in section 6, we keep building the Natures project, but now with a heavy focus on advanced responsive design. In section 7, we then build a whole new project, this time using the immense power of Flexbox. So I will introduce you to this amazing new technology, and then we build this entire modern-looking project called Trello, using Flexbox and some other stuff that I'm going to show you as well. And finally, you're going to learn the latest cutting-edge CSS grid layout technology. So in section 8, I'm going to teach you the very fundamentals of CSS grid, and then in section 9, we will build yet another project, which is called Nexter, and uses CSS grids for a large variety of UI elements, so that you can apply grids to many different real-world situations. Alright, so that is a broad overview of the course structure. Now, in all the videos, I always do my best to explain every single details of the techniques that I'm using, or the technologies that I'm introducing. But sometimes you may still have a question about any of the topics that you're learning. And that's fantastic, because asking questions is great. Or maybe you just run into a problem with your code and need help fixing it, because it doesn't really work the way it should. Either way, you will always get support and help in the Udemy Q&A section. So at the bottom of the video that you're watching, you will find a question section for that specific video. And whenever you have a question, you can check out if other students may have asked the same question. And if not, you can just post your own question. And you will then get friendly support so that you're back to writing code as fast as possible. And now, just to finish, I designed this course for you, to bring your CSS skills to the most modern and advanced level, and to give you the tools so that you can build any web page or app that you can imagine from the ground up. And so we cover everything that all the other courses don't cover, so that you can become the confident front-end web developer that you want to be. That is my main goal with this course. And with that being said, let's finally get started with it.